How to draw the NBA Finals trophy, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a simple line in the center of our page going from left to right. From this line, we're going to make a sideways oval, which will be the top of the net. Nicely done. Next, let's go ahead and draw the bottom of the basket connected to the shape that we just drew together. Now, on the inside of the shape that we just made, we're going to want to go ahead and draw the details of the inside of the net. Be sure to pause or rewind the video as you need to. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Before we draw any further detail on the inside, let's go ahead and draw the basketball on the top of the rim. Now we're not going to add any detail on the inside of the basketball just yet. Let's go ahead and draw the outline of what the basketball will be sitting on. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Next, we're going to want to draw a rectangular shape attached to the shape that we just drew on the bottom. Fantastic! Now that we have the outline of everything drawn, we can now go ahead and add some detail. Let's begin by drawing 3 lines on the inside of the basketball. All the lines will be slightly curved. Now that we have those 3 lines drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the lining of the net on the inside of the hoop. I will begin by drawing 2 small circles and connecting to the square shapes right above. This is how to draw the NBA Finals trophy. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Don't forget, the next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. And we have also drawn many team logos, so be sure to check those out in the description of this video if you want to draw those as well. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.